It's a big day. So think of how far flung we have come and how far we have to go. Along with multifarious struggles in science, there is much more to find and much more to show. Let's rejoice the majestic journey this establishment has had up to now. Let's read the toast to make it even better. Let us take a vow. Namaste to one and all. Today, we feel immensely happy and proud that we have gathered here to commemorate our beautiful learning and teaching expedition. We would like to thank all our parents for making this effort of joining us on this pleasant Sunday morning. Not only this, we would like to extend a hearty welcome to all our online spectators who have joined us on our Facebook page. We are really thankful to our parent association for choosing and believing in us for their children. It is with their unconditional and constant support that we are what we are today. There are no magic wands, no hidden tracks, no secret handshakes that can bring immediate success. It is time, energy, and determination that can get you there. It is how you make your good better and your better best. Here we too have a journey to share, which you might have heard or must have been there. Let's recall how we have turned our good to great, all directly and all straight. We are extremely honored to have with us Ms. Neeti Shri Kumar, Mr. Rajendra Shah, Ms. Tarana Ahmed, Ms. Sudipta Mukherjee, and Mr. Naveed Sahil from Shri Educare Limited. Also, we have with us Mr. Y.P. Purang and Mr. Vijay Shukla who have joined us on this momentous occasion. On behalf of management, I thank them for providing their gracious presence to join us today to enhance our joy. Before we move further, we would like to welcome Ms. Sumedha Goyal ma'am, the director of our school, our respected principal ma'am, Ms. Priyanka Barara ma'am, our head of preschool, Ms. Charulata ma'am, and Ms. Shrishti ma'am, a member of school governing body. Please give them a huge round of applause. Now, I would request our school director, Ms. Sumedha ma'am, our principal ma'am, Ms. Priyanka Barara ma'am, and Ms. Charulata ma'am to extend a green welcome to our esteemed guests. We would like to welcome Mr. Rajendra Shah for the stage. I request Ms. Priyanka Virara ma'am to felicitate Mr. Rajendra Shah with a green token. Mr. Rajendra Shah is an Associate Vice President, a postgraduate in physics from University of Kashmir. He's an author and a leader in education armed with an MBA degree. He has been nominated by school toppers in their undergraduate courses and has also received Physics Teacher Award from Stanford University, USA for two consecutive years. With nearly 3 decades of experience as an academic and departmental head, Mr. Rajendra Shah has taken a lead to train, motivate, and empower school and educational institutes. We are really honored to have you here with us, sir. We would also like to extend our hearty welcome to Ms. Sudipta Mukherjee. For the same, I request Ms. Sumedha Goyal ma'am, our school director, to kindly do the honors. Ms. Sudipta Mukherjee has been associated Ms. Sudipta Mukherjee has been associated with the Shri Parivar for over 14 years now. She is an Autumn Gilligram English language trainer and a dyslexia therapist from MSL, Singapore. Not only this, she is also a FALS and a POSCO instructor. We are really delighted to have you here with us now. We would also like to welcome Ms. Tarana Ahmed, who has joined us today on this auspicious occasion. For the same, I would request Ms. Charulata ma'am to extend the token of love to our esteemed guest. A Montessori trained educator, Mr. Tarana has been associated with Sri Parivar for 10 years now. He has over the years designed and drafted the early years curriculum with a special focus on children in the age group of 18 months to 4 years. Not only this, he has also conducted various teacher parent programs. We are really proud to have you with us now. We would also like to extend our warm welcome to Mr. Naveed Sahil, who is present here with us today. To welcome Mr. Naveed, I would request Ms. Shrishti Goyal to kindly do the honors. Mr. Naveed holds an MBA degree in marketing and IT with over 13 years of experience in India and abroad. He's a turnaround specialist with skill in training and development, including cross-functional team management. We are really grateful to have you here with us. We would also like to extend our warm welcome to Mr. Vijay Shukla, a member of our school managing committee. For the same, we request our respected principal ma'am to kindly extend a green token. Mr. Vijay Shukla holds a BTech degree, a graduate from Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. He's an MBA in management and has organized various events like National HR Conference and All India Paper Writing Contest. We would like to welcome Ms. Neeti Srikumar, who has joined us online today. Ms. Neeti Srikumar is an operational vice president with a postgraduate degree in English literature from the Schools of Languages. With an experience of around 38 years, Ms. Neeti has worked in various school operational activities and has worked as a principal in the schools of Hyderabad and Ahmedabad. Not only this, she is the originator and the author of the book titled Shri Parvarish, the ABC of Parenting from the Heart. We are really delighted to have you with us, ma'am. We would also like to extend our warm welcome to Mr. Puram, who has not joined us physically here but is there with us online. Mr. Puram is the Vice Chairman and a retired Director of Education. Not only this, he has authored several biology books at higher secondary level. We are really grateful to have you with us, sir. Just ask universe for help, and we see wonders. That is what we call a miracle. हर शुभ घड़ी की शुरुआत हम परमेश्वर को याद करके करते हैं कि उनकी कृपा हम सब पर बनी रहे। तो क्यों ना आज के इस अवसर की भी शुरुआत कुछ उसी तरह की जाए। Light symbolizes the absence of darkness, grief, and unhappiness. Almighty's divine grace is spread all over the place, highlighting on the map. As we embrace this beautiful moment with its challenges and struggles, here we have the symbolic lamp lighting ceremony for our viewers on the screen. Meanwhile, we would request Ms. Sumita ma'am, our school director, to kindly escort our guests for the pious Tulsi water ceremony. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir, for spreading the spiritual vibe. Now, we request our respected principal, ma'am, Ms. Priyanka Barara, ma'am, to welcome our audience on the auspicious occasion. For the same, I request Priyanka Barara, ma'am, to kindly come up on the stage.
Excellence is not a destination, it's a continuous journey that never ends. Namaste, everyone. Thank you for joining us today on a Sunday morning. And a very warm thank you to all the online audience present here with us today. The school has been constantly attaining the acclaim and appreciation for all its endeavors ever since its foundation was laid down back in 2016. Our institute thrives on its steady reputation and the consistent trust of parents who've been thoughtful in choosing us for their children. We stand here on firm ground today, for we have incessantly strived to expand our outreach and better ourselves in our capacity to bolster our students in becoming perfectly developed and independent. With the intention of aspiring to reach from good to great, today we've all gathered here to commence upon a new chapter in the school that associates us with a legacy that is unmatched and has deep-rooted ideology that children must be given an environment that makes them want to come to school every day. It's our quality standards in childcare and infrastructure that today the Sri Ram Wonder Years under the aegis of Sri Educare, which is carrying on the legacy of the Sri Ram Schools, Gurugram, has chosen to make a presence in Delhi at our campus, which shall specially benefit children residing in North and West Delhi. The Sri Ram Group is carrying forward the legacy of its group founder, Sir Sri Ram, who was instrumental in setting up premium educational institutions such as Sri Ram College of Commerce and Lady Sri Ram College. As I announce this, many of you may wonder what it means to my child. How will it make a difference to him or her? A detailed presentation by the Sri Educare member, Mr. Dikta Mukherjee, shall answer all these questions that may have crossed your mind as you listen to it. What I would definitely mention at this point is that this association has been brought here to ensure that as our children embark upon the journey of learning and step into the world of education, they must receive nothing but the best.
Ours is the exclusive campus of the Sri Ram Wonder Years in New Delhi. I take immense pleasure in making it known that we are now the Sri Ram Wonder Years. And together we aim to achieve bigger and greater goals. We will take forward the legacy of love and trust that you help us lead on our path of development and release. I wish to extend my heartwarming gratitude to Sir Sri Arun Bharatram, Chairperson of Sri Educare, for accepting this association and certain that the school shall achieve a higher benchmark that is being set up upon this day as we embark upon this eventful and significant ahead. Before we invite Mr. Gupta on stage here, there's a small glimpse that will give you insight about the strength of our schools association with Sri Educare and their role in ensuring that the rich and diverse legacy of the Sri Ram Schools Gurugram is promoted in schools that they are associated. Thank you.
Schools play a critical role in molding a child into a responsible and progressive global citizen. A good education empowers a child with infinite opportunities to discover and innovate. Over the past few decades, of all the innovations that have taken place all across the world, how many can you really claim to? Perhaps not many. Rather than being pushed to answer existing texts, students must be encouraged to learn, unlearn, and critically evaluate everything they observe through the formative years of their education. Shri Educare was formed out of a commitment to expand SEL's reach of providing quality Indian education. It is essentially engaged in setting up schools from preschool to K-12 at both national and international levels. Sri Educare proudly carries forward the rich legacy of its founder, Sir Sri Ram, who was instrumental in establishing prestigious institutions of higher learning and cultural arts in India, modeled on the pattern of the Sri Ram schools. Sri Educare is engaged in setting up schools known for their child-centric and innovative method of imparting value-based education to students starting from the preschool level up to the 12th grade. When you ask any parent that what is it that sets this school apart, the first thing that a parent says is the values. We don't teach, we don't preach, it's just there. The other thing that I'd like to mention here is that the inclusive education practices. This is not something, not a buzzword for us. Ever since we started in 1988, inclusion is our hallmark. Today, SEL, under the guidance of specialized educators, provides a diverse range of services that include operational support, professional teacher training modules, implementation of free connected ERP solutions to its consultancy schools, as well as guidance in finance, marketing, HR, and administrative functions to enable the smooth and uniform operation of the school. The role of Sri Educare goes well beyond just imparting education, administration, and operational functions. It aids at providing intense support within functional areas, resulting in a higher quality of education, while simultaneously encouraging creativity and experiential learning.
We have been using all the Shyam, which have been there for more than 25 years. We combine business practices of the Shyam and educational institutions around the world. This is done with the help of our global experts who identify and confidence in India and abroad to understand about the latest development in the field of education. Work along with the partners in us create places for children where they feel happy, where they feel acknowledged and appreciated, and most importantly, where they feel safe to work closely with parents and the teachers, as well as the students, trying to figure out what is best for the students. We constantly improving upon the education services that we provide, constantly searching out what are the things that we can do. We try and build up ideas. We have our teachers and assistant management around the world.
Sri Educare, collaborating to nurture literacy in education.
Hello friends, I want to congratulate.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind and motivating words. Such a wonderful and insightful video, I must say. Now, I request Ms. Sudipta ma'am from Sri Educare Limited to share the glorious journey with our audience and online viewers. Over to you, ma'am.
Namaste parents and a very, very warm welcome to the Shri family. And I take great pride in saying that. Ma'am, can you please change the slide? So Namaste is just not a greeting for us. It's like Manika ma'am said in the video that values is something our children actually imbibe in them. And pride in one's heritage and culture is one of our core values. And that is why Namaste is very, very important. And on that note, I'd really like you all also to say a nice Namaste and feel the warmth of the Shi family. Come on, parents, just Namaste. Okay, moving on. So, as you know, that it's all about bringing the wonder of the Shri in Rohini and how you will very soon see how our children get into the groove along with our teachers. Next slide, ma'am. So this is our legacy board you have seen. I think. Thank you, Jyoti. Yeah. So as you know, Mr. Arun Bharatram is our chairperson and SCL is a sister concern of SRF Foundation, which is a CSR wing. So these are the other companies that come under the SRF. This is our legacy board, and many of you would have seen the legacy board as you enter the premises. Sir Bharatram being the patriarch, and then moving on to Manju ma'am, who's actually Sri Ram schools are actually a thing out of her heart, and something that she felt very dearly when she saw her own children, trying to fit into the what should I say, the typical school setup, and she saw that how other children who were a little different, who wanted to learn differently. Like we talk about multiple intelligences, we talk about different styles of learning, and actually accepting those styles. Way back then, one didn't see happen. But once the Sri Ram school, took on what would I say, held on to the bait and started, ignited the fire, and that's how it fell off across. That's exactly what you're doing. Next slide, ma'am. Legacy, Manju Bharatram, ma'am. Our campus started, or Satya campus started in 1988, and there was a little tiny hut. And then from there, teachers and children were so involved that every festival was celebrated. Everybody was a part of it. There was just around 46 students. And I remember I had also applied for my son when he was little, seeing that in the school, this little hut way back then also. Then, of course, as ma'am, can we stay on to that slide, Jyoti ma'am? And then the Montessori campus started. So in Basant Vihar, we have children from PV, which is nursery, going up to grade 5. Montessori takes on children from grade 6 and moves on to grade 12. We have the IGCSE board there. We also have the NIOS, the children who basically are good at sports but can't, really attend classes. So NIOS is looked at from a different perspective, apart from the SEN special needs students who are very, very close to our heart. So we cater to them, and we also have the IBDP program running at Montessori campus. Aravali campus, we have the ICSE running there, starting from the Pravesh Vatika, which is nursery, going on to grade 12. And that's Mr. Kartik Bharatram. You would have heard him speak as well. So SCL is his baby. This is his vision. So this is SCL in a snapshot. We have 34 schools, we have 13,000 students, and we have 1,200 educators, and we are spread all over. You'll be seeing the map very soon, and we give them all kinds of support very soon. You'll be seeing the kind of support that we extend, what SEL extends to schools to come under our wing. Next slide, ma'am. So wherever you see the blue ones and the purple ones and the red one, which is our little new baby, CSW by Rohini. Welcome once again. So the purple ones are our play schools, and the blue ones are our K to 12 schools. Some of them are in pipeline, some of them are already there. This is our vision, mission, and value of PSWY, and we strongly believe in each and everything we say. Our core values are integrated in our curriculum. So it's not just there on paper that you see, but they are all integrated in our lesson plans, and we work with our core values very closely. So this is the kind of support that moves on. Regular visits happen, signature events, teacher workshops, teacher mentoring, your sensitization. We do a lot of teacher training, and in fact, our teacher trainings have already started, and we are working very well with each other. The synergy is just great. Of course, curriculum support is extended. Parent workshops happen so that we believe very strongly in the three-way handshake. A parent is very important to us. So the connect between the parent, the teacher, and the child is very important. So that three-way handshake is taken forward to parent workshops where you are actually shown the Shri way. So that when you work with your child at home, you follow the same strategy and the child is not confused. That's the objective. Usually, otherwise, it happens that your school is doing one thing, the parent is doing the second thing at home, and the child is totally confused. What do I follow? Do I follow the school? Do I follow the parent? It's better that we do our handshake and we do it really well. Next slide, ma'am. So this is the non-academic support that we extend to our schools. Of course, the pedagogy happens, safety audits happen on a regular basis, your admin SOPs, people policies, branding and marketing, parent surveys, financial audits, and of course, Reconnect, which is one of our major supports that we extend to us. I think this slide talks for itself. Anybody wants to discuss anything on seeing this slide here? Any questions or any thoughts? Children learn, and can we stay on that slide, Jyoti ma'am, just for another second? Thank you so much, Jyoti ma'am. So sorry to trouble you like this. Children learn from anything and everything they see, hear, and feel. They learn wherever they are, not just in special places. Like I said, multiple intelligences, like I spoke, learning styles. This is what it is. Learning by doing, learning by feeling, learning by seeing. This is what we focus on. It's a very important strategy when it comes to children. Next slide, Jyoti ma'am. So these are our differentiators. So we have a different series, which is known as All About series. So this is an event which is conducted for the children and by the children. The educators is just the facilitator here. Everything is done by the child. So that is how we celebrate our children. And of course, domains of we have different learning domains of learning, your jigsaw learning, your SEN, that is your special needs, phonics, choice time, me time. Now there is a difference between choice time and me time. Choice time is very well put up in our timetable where it shows choice time and the child understands. Because we don't write it, we also draw along with it. Because children can't read. Our little babies are very chutu. So we draw, there are pictorial timetables that are made for our little children. Choice time, we have a special room here as well where children can go and choose whatever activity they want to do. But when it comes to me time, it's their time. They can walk up to their teacher and say, I feel like going to this thing now. What are we doing? We are encouraging their development. We are helping them think. These are very, very important learning milestones for our little people. So that is what we do. Wonder time, again, it makes them wonder. It's like a discovery art that we do with our babies. Voila. Basically, when you're using your entire school campus as a learning aid. That's again, you will be seeing some snapshots in our next slide, and I'll take you to Bala in detail. Share and tell, a very, very important activity, again for children, where the teachers are not sharing and telling, it's the children who are sharing and telling. I mean, I have seen little babies come up with charts and stand up there and say, wait, I'm going to explain everything to you. So that's their time, celebrating children at every level. Then we have Planet Pals, which is our environmental initiative. Then we have WAC. WAC is a key for setting up any curriculum milestone when it comes to children. Whether you're looking at as tiny as our little babies here in the play group, or you're looking at elementary grades up to grade 2, 3, 4, 5. So V stands for visual, A stands for auditory, K stands for kinesthetic, and C stands for tactile. And this is the support we extend when it comes to our lesson plans and things like that for our educators. Of course, role play, we know how important it is, circle time, and skill development. So these are basically our key differentiators, and they will reflect in our lesson plans, they will reflect in our timetables. Very soon you will see how things are changing. Like ma'am said, moving from good to great. Can we all say that? Moving from good to great parents. Next slide, ma'am. These are a few glimpses where children are doing. So our classrooms are print rich and children's work is displayed and celebrated. Next slide, ma'am. So that's the wonder time activity happening there. That's Bala, where you see, when teachers sitting in a circle, she could actually use up that place even as a game or for a math, English activity, or a Hindi activity, or a circle time activity, where you're using each and every inch of the space for learning. A circle time happening there. Next slide, ma'am. Your events happening there. And this is a very, very interesting slide. What do you think the children are doing here? Anyone? Trust me, classrooms are not so quiet. Come on, parents. You're here on a Sunday. Please tell us. Oh, okay. Is that fine? Okay. What do you think the children are doing here, parents? Come on, I know you're all involved, parents. You can speak. Okay. Anybody else? That's a good one, ma'am. Digging the soil, yeah, interesting. Tarana, ma'am, would you like to share what the children are doing here?
Observing and acting. Observing the colors, number of legs,
Yeah. So this is how we actually work with our children. So suppose we want to teach them how to write. We're not going to hand them over a pencil or a crayon and say, start writing. Probably we'll give them a thick sketch pen and we'll take them to the sandpit area and we'll say, okay, now you start working. So we start from, like I always say in my trainings as well, simple to complex. So we focus on each and every skill development of our children. Only then we take them where we want them to go. Next slide, ma'am. So any questions? You can, anyone on the thing? What do you think the child is doing there? That's a very good thought, ma'am. Just if you could just remove your mask and maybe he's trying to figure out. Yes, ma'am. What do you think? Circle with his head. Yes, absolutely. It could also be he's trying to figure out whether if I, go upside down with the circle, still stay there, or will it move? You don't know what the child is thinking, right? So this is what we encourage in our children. We give them freedom to think. We want them to think. That's how holistic development happens. And we want thinking children. Any questions, parents? I don't think we have any questions. Please feel free if you have any questions.
Ma'am, when you actually teach Sri
Hmm.
Ram,
Hmm.
the first thing which comes in your mind is it actually Sri Ram global? Or if it's not, then what is the difference?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a
Could
very
you be louder? Actually, the
sure.
online audience may not be able to
Yeah.
hear. Yeah, because when I think it's not working. It's working. Hello, hello. Use it. We actually got very scared to be very honest as parents because this one thing because we are very happy with the idea. To be honest, here we're so happy with this family, and suddenly some other people came, just it's like a very shocking thing for, especially for me, and I think for most of the parents out here.
Okay.
So, is it Sri Ram Global, or if it's not, then what is exactly the difference between it?
Okay. So
Yeah.
we are basically Shriram Global is different from us because they don't have the 30 years of experience of a TSRS behind them. Okay. And how are we different for you as a parent? I'm going to give it to you in a very simple term. Wherever you see a logo of Shri, that is the TSRS school, right? And we are an offshoot of that. So we pick up our pedagogy and methodology from TSRS. I have been a TSRS teacher myself. So for over 14 years, I've been connected with it. And when I talk about TSRS, I'm talking about the Shri Ram School, which is in Vasant Vihar, which is in Montessori, which is in Aravali, and you saw everything. So basically, TSRS is Manju Ma'am's baby, right? The Shri Ram Global is also a part of the family, but brothers are different. So we have got nothing to do with global. Okay? Our logo is we've patented our logo and the name the stays with us. So that's Shri Ram Global. Ours is the Shri Ram. And we have the logo. So for you as a parent, closer. Okay. So for you as a parent, I think that's we have a pedagogy. We have 30 years of experience with us, right? We're using that. We're using those strategies. We're using lesson plans. We have trainers who even come in from there. When I was teaching at the TSRS schools, I have been supporting SEL and going and training teachers as well as conducting parent workshops, even when I was a part of the school. So from school, I was asked to support SEL, and now I have moved to Shri Ericare Limited. So that's our connect. We are one big family. Shri Ram Global, it belongs to another brother. So we respect them and fine, whatever, but ours is this setup. Does that answer your question, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think
Are you feeling better now?
Yeah.
Everybody else here who has the same question on their mind feeling better? I don't hear a yes or
Yes,
a no,
ma'am.
parents. Yes, ma'am, please.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sure.
Hello, ma'am.
Namaste.
The online audience doesn't hear this.
Ma'am, actually, like my son is in KG at this moment,
Okay.
so he would be going in first. So, like, as told to the school, they would be get transferred to the DIS, you know, in Sector 3, then international. So, where exactly will our kids going? To the Shriram or to the Delhi International?
I think Priyanka ma'am, would you want to answer that question?
See, as you said, that your child is studying here, and after that, it is automatic that the child would have gone to the school in secondary. Please understand that we've been associated, and that association is changed, right? And the very fact that I am here means that whatever connection has been there since last 4 years, that connection is very much there. So you don't have to worry about where your child goes after kindergarten. Right? Yes. Very
Will
good.
be a direct
You're changing us some kind of like certain things in the education thing, because your
The
thing is going to be
complete-
different from the IS thing.
As we said that you yourself have acknowledged that you've been very happy with what everything is.
Exactly. Because
We
are
want
very
you
happy
to
with the
be-
teachers. We're
We
very
want
happy
you
with
to be
Charu ma'am.
happier. We
Yeah.
want you to be happy. This entire association has been made so that you stay happier and even more satisfied because we have brought in a legacy with us. Right? They have a well-researched team which will help us reach out to whatever vision we have in a much better. That's the whole idea, right? We want to keep you secure. We want to keep you safe. That warmth, that safe, in fact, we want to enhance it further. And this entire endeavor has been made to do.
So, ma'am, do you think there's no problem at all for our kids to like he'll be transferring, like my
Not-
son is in KG right now, so I think he'll be transferring from here to there. And now here you're changing something that's going to be entirely different what he's actually, wanted here.
It will be, see, we understand that there is a transition.
Yeah.
And behind this transition, we have a very solid trained team behind us. So with that training, we will be doing the transition so that it remains seamless. You will start knowing the difference and you will start knowing how much better it is. That's the whole idea.
curriculum will be there previously.
Yes, CBSE, we will be bringing some more changes in the senior school to further enhance their exposure. We shall share whatever information is pertaining to the senior school as and when the changes are done. Right now, we've brought in changes here, we've shared with you, just like we've shared here. Whenever there is a change there, it will be duly shared with all our parents because we are all a family.
So, we suppose that if we want to change in 1 year or the transition,
When whatever it will be.
Ma'am,
we will
actually,
keep you
I'm not talking about, obviously it's going to be a change, when one particular like kid is going to be like shifting from here to there, kindergarten is a kind of a home. Like to my kid, he just loves coming to school because of teachers. Whatever you have shown on the slide right now, these all things are already getting from these teachers who are actually there in DIS. So it's a kind of a family, it's a kind of a love and affection what they actually got in here. Now they'll be shifting directly to the formal school, and I think the whole thing changes. The curriculum changes, the teacher changes, and everything. It's like a big change. So my concern is, my kid is not going to get the love affection what you're going to show him being over here, a new change, a new something. I mean, it's a big question for me, to be very honest, because it's a bit scary as a mother. And of course, मेरे बेटे के लिए भी it's going to be a very scary thing. So I just need a kind of a clarification, like what exactly the whole thing is going to be. Like the team is changing, some kind of teachers are going to change, or the whole curriculum is going to change. What is the whole thing?
First of all, I would like to thank all the teachers and the management, especially all the teachers here. We all love the teachers here and Charu ma'am. And I totally sure that they're going to remain forever with us. It's not that, must be only the school name must change. Is that so, ma'am?
Not just the name, change of name, but it's also the enhancement of the complete process of delivering.
Okay.
People you are connected to remain the same. You will see same faces.
So with Hina, it's anyways going to be the same. Yeah. We are completely okay. Anyways, I had to go to the new school after KG.
That's what.
That was as simple. But I think so. Just I have that key now. It's gonna be DIS or it's gonna be what? Wonder Years. The school name will be this. Okay.
So in addition to what other parents have said, my question is also quite similar to theirs only. I have 2 points in my mind. And when this information came to us that there's going to be some change, so my first worry was my son is in nursery. So my first question was, I think you already answered it, that what will happen in first class? My son automatically gets inducted to the senior branch or not?
Yes,
He gets
of
inducted.
course.
So yeah, so that's the
That's
reason.
it. So the
that's
very
the
fact
reason-
that I'm here,
Yeah,
it means
So-
that the association stays.
yeah. So, but I had to be clear on
Yeah,
this
totally.
point. So that's why
I
I'm saying
understand.
it.
I
Because,
totally
because
understand.
whenever there are changes, कंट्री में जब गवर्नमेंट भी चेंज होती है तो बहुत एप्रीहेंशन होती है माइंड तो
हम
बच्चे के
नहीं चाहते कोई
but
apprehensions हो.
yes ma'am, so
इसीलिए.
I quite appreciate the way you have shared the changes, so I am at peace now. And the second question which other mothers are also asking, that if the curriculum changes, are there going to be any, if there is going to be any change, are our children going to face any problem while getting inducted in the mainstream in the CBSE school, or
Not at all. Not at all.
But of course, I think the thing is going to be there. The change is going to be there. Yes, of course, it's going to be there, right?
Now I'm going to answer.
Sudipta ma'am answering that question.
Curriculum stays as it is. And like Priyanka ma'am has been saying, we're going to do pedagogical changes. So methodology is going to change. So the entire essence is good to great. And that's exactly what we're going to do. When you have a little new person in your family, does your family change? Does your family change? Your family doesn't change. So your family of DIS remains the same. It's only the strategies that the teachers are going to be practicing in their classroom, the methodology that they're going to be using is going to be the Shri way. Your teachers are fantastic. I have been interacting with them for our training. We've been doing it for a while now. They're all great. And I actually congratulate each and every teacher here and each and every parent for being open minded. So nothing is going to change. Trust me. The methodology and the pedagogy is all that is going to be imbibed into your ongoing curriculum. There is going to be there are going to be strategies. In fact, even this year, we're not going to make any changes in the DSWY curriculum. We're just going to bring in some more fun, interesting strategies. And the Shri way. That's it. Yes, ma'am.
Actually, my concern is my daughter is going to be in first class, and I'm very happy with all the changes. I'm more concerned if all these are changes are going to be in DIS first class or not. That is only my concern because I'm very happy with all the changes. I'm very happy with whatever you are showing me. Are they going to be these changes in first class or is it going to be same? See, we've taken responsibility of educating your child and we don't do anything half-heartedly. So whatever will be delivered here will be delivered there as well. We are committed to quality. And the name's going to be DIS. We'll come to that when we are in that campus.
Step by step, ma'am. Simple to complex.
I think we'll be seeing changes from tomorrow onwards, maybe like the online sessions which are going on. Definitely, it's going to be the change there also.
That is the change.
Yeah, because our kids have only left with a very small amount of time now. Because I think in April maybe they'll be shifting to the first standard. So we have a very small amount of time. So actually, with sharing something new with them, Now they're going to get something new from you people on. So
Learning will
there
happen.
the question stays, from tomorrow onwards, definitely there's going to be some kind of changes on online sessions and everything. Yeah,
Yes.
because that's the main concern.
Your main concern, what I understand, is the transition.
Exactly, because it's
Right?
very difficult for
Okay.
kids. As parents, I'm ready to take it,
Yeah.
I'm very happy.
Anyways, this is your playgroup school. From here, they would have moved to your main school in phase 3, spec 3. So that change would have happened whichever way. But I can assure you, as part of SEL and as part of the entire team now here, that the transition is going to be very smooth. So your minimum learning expectations is what we always talk about. Your grade level expectations, they will be the same and they will be catered to, so that when your child moves to grade 1, his learning or her learning is only enhanced and not hampered. So that is an assurance that we can give you. You don't really have to worry about that. Your transition is going to be very smooth.
Yeah, let's hope for the best then.
So don't hope,
Thank you
be
so
sure.
much.
I can tell you
Yeah.
that.
I hope so. Fingers are crossed.
Any other questions? I think we can move on now, friend Kamal. Yeah. Thank you, parents. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for providing us with such an insightful information. We are sure that this endeavor will definitely be a fruitful one. Now, I request Ms. Neeti Sri Kumar to share her words of wisdom with us.
Okay, I was unable.
Neeti ma'am, we request you to kindly unmute yourself.
To unmute. Right. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me? Okay. Okay. So once again, namaste parents, namaste all the dignitaries assembled here today. Congratulations. And again, a warm welcome. I'm glad I was able to hear the parent concerns and the questions, because now I know what I need to say. Your concerns, your questions are very valid. All the mothers there, I can understand your anxiety. I'm a mother myself. Change, I agree, is always, always frightening, because we are so uncertain of what lies ahead. All we can tell you at this point of time, and I was very happy to hear that, is that you as parents trust the school that your child has been going to so far. You have given the school what is most precious to you as a parent, your child. And that school has, been true to that trust. They have taken care of your children. Your children have been safe there. They've been learning. And ma'am, thank you so much for saying that your child looks forward to coming to school. So the school has already achieved the most difficult part of a child's transition from home to school. All we want, as a school, as a group, as a Shri family, the Shri Parivar, is for you to continue with that trust with us. The change, as we say, like Sudipta ma'am mentioned, is more focused on the pedagogy. Because one of the strong things, the philosophy of the Sri Ram schools, what we are built on is the fact that for us, the child is most important. Nothing that affects the child negatively will ever be done by any of us. So we are very true to the word child-centric. Anything we do for the children. So any change, if ever, that we bring into the system will only benefit the child. So rather than making changes where the child will have to do a lot of adjustments or have to learn differently in a very stressed out manner, it will be, and the magic word here is seamless. You know, when the school says good to great, all I can say is as a group, we also have a mantra, a little different from that, but it means the same. We call it bettering our best. And this curriculum changes that we are going to bring into the Sri Ram Wonder Years Rohini is something we've been working on for years together. Our own preschool on Sona Road, and our principal is also present here today at the meeting. She's online with us, Sunita ma'am. For the last 10 years, our baby school is 10 years old now. We have been creating the curriculum there. It's like our R&D lab. And everything we do there, we first pilot it at our own school, make sure it's benefiting the children, and only then do we send it across to the other preschools. When you saw the map that Sudipta ma'am presented, you would have noticed that we do have a cluster of preschools as well. And these preschools take on that curriculum, the pedagogy, the strategies, and tested it in our own school. So nothing we bring to your school is going to be an experiment that involves children going through stress or worry. Please don't worry about that. Continue to trust the school management. You know, we've been in talks about the association for many months now. And we were so happy to know that the way the school management thinks is aligned to the way we think, that the child is most important. Your children are going to be safe, not just in the physical environment. And I always say our preschool curriculum, our preschools are not just buildings or spaces. It's an experience, it's a journey, and it's an environment that we create. So the changes that we bring into the pedagogy is what the teachers will transact. We have a brilliant set of teachers there. We don't see any need to replace them, and they are just adding to their knowledge. They're just learning more because, I mean, if I may use this phrase, ye dil mange more. They're already doing well as a school. As DIS Junior, the school was doing brilliantly, but learning never stops. Improving never stops. And that's what the management wanted, to take the school from a good level to a great level, to better their own best. And that's all we are going to do. As parents, you will enjoy the journey just as much because we believe in being transparent. Like Priyanka ma'am mentioned, everything will be discussed with you, spoken with you, I mean to you. You'll be informed about what's happening, and we work together. Another magic mantra we have is what we call the three-way handshake. The school, the parent, and the child, we work together. And together we make that journey for the child exciting. The experiential nature, the exploratory nature, the experimentation the children do. You saw the pictures where they're watching an ant. I mean, for hours together, children can watch that. So we want to give children experiences and memories that make learning in the bigger school, the formal school, better. We prepare children for the formal school. From our own preschool, our children go to multiple schools, different schools with different methodology. To date, in all these 10 years, it's with great pride and compliments to our principal for that, we haven't got a single parent who comes back and says, my child is not adjusting in that school. If at all, they say they miss the preschool, but that's about it. Children have transitioned so well because the care we give the children is very special, very specific. What we do is teach children how to learn, not just what to learn. The concern is not about the ABCs and the 1, 2, 3s. It is about how they imbibe that, how they learn that, and how they internalize that. So these are things we'll be focusing on. Rather than pushing your child and stressing your child out, we've been having extensive trainings with our set of teachers. And like I said, they're a brilliant lot. They've been absorbing it like, a sponge and already rolling it out in school. So it's very exciting to see that happen as well. Whatever changes are there, you will see in the way the child develops, rather than, let's move this that way, because for a child, change is actually more acceptable. They adapt better, but it has to be done in a way that doesn't stress them out, that makes them enjoy the learning process. So please continue trusting the school. We are just going to add to what the school already has. We are not going to create a scene where children are going to feel uncomfortable. And if your child is happy, I'm sure each one of you as parents are going to be happy as well. So today, at this wonderful event, a historical moment for the school, our only request to you is continue trusting us, continue supporting us, continue being part of your child's journey, because your child is our child as well, and we have their best interest at heart. Any questions you have, you can continuously reach out to the school. We will be involved as well now. So you have a larger set of people taking care of your children. And that's what we want to do. We want to add to your happiness, add to your trust, and add to the experience that you and your child will be going through in this little baby of ours, the newest member in our own family of schools, the Sri Ram Wonder Years Rohini. My best wishes to each one of you present here. And thank you so much for taking time off on a Sunday morning and being part of this historical moment. We wish you the very best. Take care of yourselves, be safe, and the minute normalcy returns, we'll be waiting eagerly, not just with open arms, but with open hearts to welcome your children back to the school and make their learning a wonderful, wonderful experience. Thank you so much once again, parents. Congratulations, the Sri Ram Wonder Years Rohini. All of you are members of the Sri family now, so welcome to the family. Looking forward to a great future. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Neeti ma'am, for your kind and motivating words. Now, we request Mr. Puran sir to enlighten our audience with his motivating words. So we request you to kindly unmute yourself.
I feel very grateful that I have been provided this opportunity to be part of this program, wherein two big institutions, two educational institutions, DIS and Sri Ram, are meeting together to take care of the young children in our society. DIS has made all the necessary infrastructure in Rohini, and I'm very happy that one of the giants, the forerunners, the pioneers in education, which have changed the entire face of the education and how the learning should be imparted in the children, Sri Ram group of schools have taken over this, and they are now would be doing as a joint venture to run the school. The people of this locality, that is Rohini, are very fortunate that they are getting the services of the two greats in education, one DIS group and another the Sri Ram group. Sri Ram, I have been sometimes back in early 90s, when I was in the Department of Education, I had opportunity to interact with them, and especially at that time, one Mrs. Adams used to be there, with I had lot of interaction in setting up the schools. But then after that, I accept from other sources, I lost touch of Shri Ram. I accept that what I hear, what I learn from parents, what I see in the newspapers, how the school is progressing, how they have changed the entire outlook of education in this present day scenario. I congratulate them, and I'm sure that these two giants, DIS and the Sri Ram, they would both together sail through and ensure the future of the kids that are coming to them is safeguarded. My only aim is at the early childhood education, because there are no books, there should be no syllabus, but of course there should be a proper curriculum, how to tackle these kids in providing education, how education, whatever we give, is acceptable to them according to their age. That is most important. You see, in our days, there were no schools for early childhood to take care. Mother used to be our ideal teacher. Whatever things she used to teach, and then we used to learn without any books, without any formal teaching. And of course, formal teaching should not also be part of this school in early childhood. It is the informal teaching, it is the informal learning that becomes the important part of the child's future life. I mean, I'm not taking much of your time, but I am sure that this school would do wonders in the life of those students who are coming, and the transition period would provide no difficulty, because teachers are teachers. They know they are selected for the job to ensure that they are doing their job properly, whether it is Shriram or DIS. Now, this teacher has to take most important aspect, whatever the guidance is given to them in respect of their teaching processes, it should be taken care properly. And every child which comes to the school, because the child is the only thing around which we exist, only because in schools we exist only because of children. They are coming to our from different aspects of the society. So we assure you, from DI's point of view, I assure you, and since I have been a teacher for the last 45 years, I assure you from the side of teachers that as a teacher, our job is to teach, to provide, to make their base, that base on which their future would stand, and they would be ideal citizens of the country. With these words, I once again congratulate both the groups that they have joined together for this noble cause of making the life of the children easy and making a true great India. Once again, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your beautiful words and best wishes. Good is not enough, and we have seen people go from good to great with their determination and passion. And we were extremely proud to see such an overwhelming response from our students and parents who have participated in our Good to Great campaign initiated by our school. Here is a glimpse of their experiences. such a beautiful compilation, I must say. More than winning or losing, the spirit with which we participate deserves a special mention. We were really proud to see such motivating and amazing efforts of around 40 students and parents. And keeping the current situation in mind, we urge all our participants to kindly contact the concerned person at the Sri Wonder Ears reception at 8800 I repeat, it is 8800 in order to get all the information regarding the delivery of participating certificates and gift vouchers. The roots of all goodness lie in the soil of appreciation for goodness. So now it is time to announce the top three participants who have shared their stack of passion and strength that has helped them to unleash and evolve as better versions. The name of our first top three participant is Gaurika Tagra. The second participant who has won the Hearts of All is Kashvi Gupta. Last but not the least, the third participant is Panav Gupta. Congratulations to all the winners and thank you so much all the participants for sharing these such inspirational incidents of their life. We hope that you continue to have a glorious experience further that brings out the best in you and spur you on to the greater achievements in life. To this, we have come to the end of our event. Before we bid a goodbye, I would like to say a few lines. Good, better, best. Never let it rest. Till your good is better and your better is best. Be a dreamer with a heart of gold and brains so bold. And conquer the world and get a hold. With your heart full of courage and strength, you can definitely reach any length. Be a dreamer and make better the better and be the change setter. We are definite that our eventful and fulfilling journey will continue forever long in all domains with the cooperation of our parents and sustained efforts of our teachers and mentors. We will further aim to impart an educational experience that is world class in every respect and which prepares our children for global citizenship. Last but not the least, we request our school director, Ms. Sumedha Goyal ma'am, to extend a vote of thanks on behalf of entire school. Before she comes up on the stage, we have a congratulatory message by Mr. Karthik Bharatram, son of Ms. Manju Bharatram.
In education,
hello friends, I want to congratulate you on the setting up of the Shriram Wonder Years in Rohini. The Shriram Wonder Years has been built by us with the ethos of my mother, Shri Manju Bharatram, and it's about providing a holistic education to the children. We have full faith in our partners over there, the staff, the teachers, the parents, that soon the school will be one of the best schools in the Rohini area. I wish all of you all the best and wish you safe times ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your best wishes. Now we request Ms. Sumedha Goyal ma'am to kindly come up on the stage for the vote of thanks. Also, we would like to tell that after this, all the audience or the whole of the audience shall proceed towards the school gate along with the entire staff guest of honor for the unveiling of our school banner and a group photograph. Also, do not forget to pen your comments on the wonder tree placed in our school ground. Over to you, Sumedha ma'am.
Thank you, everybody, and namaste. Once a great man whispered, feeling grateful and not expressing it is like wrapping a gift and not giving it. I deem it a great honor to be here today on this occasion that marks the beginning of a new year. I, on behalf of our entire team, extend a very hearty gratitude to all the distinguished members of Sri Educare team for their presence and collaborating with us to nurture excellence in education. We look forward to experiencing this alliance that brings with it an opportunity for our children to discover, wonder, and imagine. I would also like to give my sincere regards to online and offline audience who've joined us today and our Parents Association for all their rock-solid support system and encouragement. I extend my gratitude to the school team who, in spite of the difficult times we all face, have stood up to make sure that the event is a success. Thank you for being with us and gracing the event with your presence. We hope to bring all the energy, passion, and commitment to our school and achieve a high level of success with your support. Before I call it a day, I leave you with a quote by my favorite poet, Khalil Gibran. Progress lies not in enhancing what is, but in advancing towards what will be. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you so much, Sumedha ma'am. Now I request our guest of honor, entire staff, and the audience to kindly proceed towards the school gate for the unveiling of a school banner and a group photograph. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day.